So one of my lovely fans chatted me up. He sent them for our DM. They also say healing from betrayal, whether it affect trust for relationship. My answer to you is it depends on what you call betrayal. You know, say for relationship now, some women no really send man where they knock outside, provided say they give them money and they lying and all these things. And everybody have red flag. Maybe if your partner do that your red flag, come understand saying don't do bad, come to you now, maybe you now don't reach some level of understanding, maybe you don't heal from the betrayal and it's affecting your trust and everything. Don't dispute the fact that betrayal they cause trauma for relationship. It even scatter relationship pata. In a situation that you are patching the relationship, you want to get it back again, betrayal will not let it go, as in it will not spoil it entirely. Putting a hard work sometimes can make you now rescue your relationship and continue from where you did again. Do you understand? As for trust can be restored, but trust where you restore for relationship now, we don't get your leg of betrayal, can never be that trust again. Do you understand? It can never meet that level of trust when that betrayal never happened. But as it is now, you can still build a level of trust by being honest, by being consistent for the work they put in for the relationship, by communication skill, by being transparent, by being respectful. From there, the level of trust go build. But you no go reach that first one. Do you understand? Because you no go carry glass now, throw for ground now, it break. You go try make you go patch am. Even if you patch am, you go get crash for the body. Do you understand? But it can lead to a good relationship. It can still manage to sustain a relationship. Do you understand? So healing after betrayal, it dey affect trust, but e no dey buy relationship like that. Do you understand? You can still manage the relationship with the level of trust where you go still rescue from it, but you no go reach to that level of trust we una get before. You understand wetin I mean now? So if you don see am say this person now don do this thing, this person now don do that thing, and then now you don betray you, don break your heart, you don do all this thing now, and now you have decided to forgive because you are seeing honesty in terms of the person now try to reconcile with you. You are seeing honesty, you are seeing reason to be with the person. Try. You work on yourself and him man will work on himself. Even sometimes, even after betrayal in a relationship, the relationship they used to be stronger. They used to be stronger sometimes. They stronger because I'll be avoiding that thing will cause that in that time. You self will be making sure that that thing will lead me to do that in that time. It no go happen again. Do you understand? If they solidify the relationship, I'm the English on me or this solid. And they made the relationship or this solid, whereby we'll be avoiding something that will lead to that past occurrence before. Do you understand? But as for trust don't get care leg, but it can still hold the relationship together. Thank you and God bless you. I hope this little point of mine is able not to confuse you, but convince you that healing after relationship will not buy relationship. Rather, trust can still be restored, but the trust now will get care leg small. But that doesn't mean that the relationship will have issue later. No. Sure you get.